In this session we're going to continue with our Cashbook postings, and we're looking at bank import. So I'm just going to import my bank CSV file again. Now, as you've seen, immediately as I import that file, the rules that I've already set up will run and it will fill in what it can. So let me show you how to set up a few of these rules. If you go to Rule Setup and you click on F6 Setup, it will bring up the rule screen for you. So this is the rules that you've already created. As you can see, my cursor at the moment is on a debtor's payment that I've received, and it will show the reference what the reference contains and what the description contains. Now you've got to set the entry type. So I'm going to say it's a debtor's entry type, and the account will be my green account over here. You've got to specify the VAT rate. In this case, it's not applicable, so I click on Save. As soon as I say Accept, nothing has been filled in yet, but when I now click on Run, it will fill in that specific line for me. Let me show you another one. Let's see. Let's go down to perhaps an expense here. Once again, I select the line, I go to my rule setup and I click on Setup. So now this time around it's going to be a GL transaction, and this time I'm going to select, let's see what I've got. I'm going to specify and I specify if there's VAT, and then I'm going to save. So my line is over there. As soon as I say Accept and I click on Run, it's going to fill that line for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move across to an open batch, and I'm just going to show you it again. I'm going to import my bank statement, and immediately you'll see the two that I've just added has now automatically filled for me. So you will basically, the more you go through your bank statements, the more these and the more rules you add, the easier and the quicker it will become. If you now have some transactions throughout the month that you'll see, hang on, this is a once off or it's a different description, then you can just go and add that transaction once off. And that concludes how to set up rules and then run the rule while busy using your bank import.